everybody, welcome to not so sunny Lisbon.
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is thick. All I'm asking now, don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. I know that you're tired, my love, but please don't go. There's valleys and mountain tops on this rocky road. All I'm asking now, don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. In sickness or health, for rich or for poor.
Good morning everybody and welcome to what is day 2 of the Camino Portuguese. It's day 2 because day 1 yesterday I just walked 8k and then walked back again to Lisbon just as a bit of a warm-up. Then this morning I rented an electric scooter. Look at me go! To get to the point that I walked to yesterday to carry on. I've met another pilgrim, look, Martin here with me. So finally somebody else that's heard of Camino in Lisbon. Really is very quiet. I'm sure there'll be more people the further north I go. On a bit of a long boardwalk thing here. No services, it's just, don't know if there's much under the boardwalk, who knows. Well, just had a nice cup of coffee along the way and met a few more pilgrims. It's going to start improving now with a bit of company. Bumped into a guy from Austria and 2 people, I'm not sure where in Germany they said they were from, but they said they're trying to do it 40k every day on this. Well, good luck to them. That's a bit fast for my liking. I like to soak a bit more of everything up, but we all do it for different reasons, and I wish them the best Camino possible. It's getting pretty now, I think. It's about an hour to go to where I'm going to stop. I'm guessing it's somewhere near, there's a big bridge. Don't know if you can see that in the distance there, but that's my best guess, that it's somewhere near that, because it's a town that's got a little bit of industry or something to it. But this is nice. This feels like I'm in some kind of little holiday resort. Lovely.